a pro player already. I pass. I think I'm on level 102 and I'm a pro player or something like that. I don't know. Are you still streaming?
Yes, I am.
Cool. How do you stream?
What happened?
Whenever when I tried streaming, but I couldn't.
Why?
I don't know, something about copyright or something like that happened. Like you're using a sound that is like copyright. I don't know, something weird. So I didn't like something anymore.
Like copyrighted thing?
And since I don't have 1,000 subscribers, I know. Okay,
Bro, are you okay?
there's another scene. There's somebody in the door. I'm a next person. I no scope this dude. I just no scope this dude, bro.
That's great.
Okay, let me see if I found ammo boxes for you to.
I found. My mission completed right now.
Subscribe. Woohoo! You're a very good player. You know that?
Me?
I don't know, but yes, you're a very good player.
Thank you so much, but I'm not that good.
Like you're a good player. Oh my god, how do
We have to go in a safe zone. What do you think?
okay, let's go.
They say that you're a hacker. Is that true? No, I never hack anything. Who said that?
I don't believe that. I don't know who said. I don't believe that.
That's a Pokey God, and Pokey God is a dummy head.
You dummy.
Yeah, he don't know that. I never hack anything. I believe on real gaming. I believe on real gaming, not hacking. Hackers are trash.
Get to the phone. The phone is very near. You gotta go.
I'm coming.
Hey, can I play with you?
Yeah, sure. Next match. Guys, let's go to the safe zone. Yeah, oh, you're really closer. I'm coming. Because the zone is coming after 3 minutes 20 seconds. The storm is coming and I cannot wait. Let's go. I'm moving. Is that you who's driving the car?
Yes, that's me.
Okay, that's cool. I thought that's someone else. Because I'm so scared when someone killed me with the car. That's so bad. I want to die by the weapon, but not by the car.
I got killed in a explosive fire at the authority last time.
Oh.
And that was Also, I know for a fact next time I'm gonna look good. Because I know
Oh, okay. I have low fuel right now.
I can prove it because I spectated someone and then they were at a vault at the building of Rickety Risk.
Okay.
Fire your maker. Fire your maker.
Low fuel, and I reach. Thank you so much, car.
Fire your maker. Fire your maker. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, hi. Hello? Yeah, I'm spectating you. I'm spectating you.
Oh, you're expecting me? Okay.
No. Hardly.
Hey, Chaotic Invader, what's up, man? How you doing, man? How's your channel going?
No. Wait, what? You have a channel? I did not even absolutely know that.
Because I'm streaming. Don't sleep, yeah.
She has 2,000 subscribers. She's cool. She's a cool person.
This car, another destroying another car.
RJ, let's go, man. We have to find some people. No one is here. I don't know where is everybody.
Everybody's in the circle.
My channel name is Zindalash. I'm live right now. Thank you so much for joining, Chaotic. How's your channel going, brother? Somebody's shooting. I see someone on the top.
Hear that?
I think someone tried to snipe.
He's trying to snipe you, RJ.
Wait, I see him over there. Batman is doing it against our man.
There's no chance. I attack on his face. Let's go.
You guys seriously gotta go now.
Move, you dummy head. Move.
My God. Hey, what's up? Hey.
I'm good. How you doing, man?
Hey, doing?
Can I please put voice actor?
I'm a good channel. Going good. What about you? My channel is good, bro. I'm really close to 2,000 subscribers. Let's see when I reach 2,000.
Also, what is your channel called?
It's like Zindalash. Zindalash.
Like her
Is that Lash?
Yeah, like my name.
Okay.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
much your videos, but okay.
9,000 subscribers.
Superhero kids are my heroes because I'm their biggest fan.
Oh, that's great. Oh, somebody there's a team over there. There's a team over there.
Oh, what about others?
They try to kill Marauders, but we have to kill the team, not the Marauders.
Also, I'm a marauder killer that can kill lots of marauders in all of them. Because he's my weakness. I can bro, okay,
Someone is behind. Someone is behind. I saw someone. I saw someone. He's on the top.
I know.
Dude, you gotta run. I don't know if zindalash will make it, brother.
I will make it. I will make it.
Where did you go?
Well, you can, but
I don't.
anyway,
Hey Luis, what's up? Luis Gorman suddenly a Fortnite could no longer be for mobile phone. No, it is available for Android.
hey, I got a question. Are you American? Question. Because I am. Good question. Oh, your girl. I don't think she will make it. How it feels.
RJ, come fast. Come to me, brother.
Yeah, I'm here, but I don't have to go.
Okay, I'm coming to help you. I'm coming to help you. Wait.
Kevin,
I will revive you. Don't worry. Go to the safe zone fast. The zone is closer. Go. I have a medkit. I have a medkit. Go. I will give you. Come here. Take it. Heal fast.
Wait, zindalash. Okay, you sort of.
Fire can make her. Did you see her channel already?
Go to the safe zone.
Are you watching her stream?
What's up? Wanna collab CD stream one day? Sure. Chaotic.
You guys better go, but you guys gotta go before you die again. Or maybe this one.
He's right. We need to go.
Yeah. 10, 15 seconds. Seriously, need to go. You guys wanna die by the way. Oh, he's trying to kill you though.
Kill this one. This one is a bot.
This really is a bot.
He's using charge.
I don't really think he's a bot. Wait, this is statistics.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
You gotta save you.
How is dancing over there? Go.
I told you to go.
RJ, go, RJ, go.
Batman?
Maybe we will die this time because I don't have a medkit or anything.
I mean, maybe the last.
RJ, move. Okay, I will try chaotic. The zone is coming. I cannot help you, bro, because I don't have any health kit. I'm sorry for that. Bro, I cannot revive you. I'm low. I don't have a med kit. I'm trying to come. Just come near the safe zone. I'm trying to collect something.
You can't.
I died.
You guys are you're the only one now left. What's the win?
I'm just gonna take that ammo.
I have a lots of ammo. I need something. I need only shield or something.
You gotta go, bro. You gotta go, bro.
We're gonna win this one. We're gonna win this one.
Oh my god, Marauders, what?
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Time to collect some shield.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't know, but Zindalash, you're so close to winning a victory, my guy. One more, and then we're gonna win.
Murada's kill.